All right, everybody, I am going to show you a little something that is going to help you out with seeing whether or not your work has been turned in for the week. I've been getting some messages that people are turning things in, but then when they go to check, it shows not turned in. And I'm going to show you why. So here is our Google Classroom. I'm actually logged in as Cassidy right now so that you can actually see the student view instead of seeing my teacher view. So when I go into the classwork, like let's say, for example, the Baby Yoda questions, a bunch of people said they did them, but that they weren't showing as turned in. So when I click on the assignment to go fill in my answers, and I'm going to just randomly pick letters here just because I want to at least be able to show you. So I'm picking A for all of my answers. So I found my text boxes. I'm putting my X over A for each answer. Now I'm done. And it's like, okay, now what do? I know I did it. I see that my answers are there. This button up here, share, will only send me a message that it is, that I can edit it. It's not the same as turning it in. Okay, so up here, I'm going to go back to the last window I just had open, which is our Google Classroom. Okay, and I'm going to go to View Assignment. See that right there? When I go to View Assignment, now I can click on Turn In, and it's showing me the one attachment, so that's your assignment is going to be with it, and you click Turn In, and that's how you get it to show that it has been turned in. So there we go, your work turned in. So anytime you have an assignment where you have to open up something else, and you see up in the top there, it shows you share, go back into your Google Classroom so that you can click the turn in button. So I'm going to go back to some of the older assignments from last week that obviously Cassidy didn't do any of them because she was, she's not really in our Google class. She's just my guinea pig, so I can use her account to show stuff. But look here, it shows that this assignment is missing. But if I go to View Assignment and I click Turn In, now obviously it's not complete. She would have to complete it. But once I click Turn In and Turn In, then it's going to show up as turned in late. Okay. So I know that has caused a lot of confusion for you guys, so hopefully that will clear that up a little bit when you are in the Google Classroom and you're wanting to make sure things are being turned in. Thanks.